My name is Nonima Dikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I want us to talk about what happened in the morning when the court proceedings started. It started with Dr. Sibanda trying to clarify something because you would remember the previous day, which was Thursday, we ended where Uram Sipile and Unamalo were going to do a re-exam. But now, when we started Friday morning, we had Dr. Sibanda trying to clarify something. And this something that he clarified, it actually proved to me and other people that are members of the Ghost Nation or people that listen to the Ghost Nation on TikTok, we were kind of like, so Sibanda, it's either Sibanda, Judge Rata and Baloy, they listen to the Ghost Nation because there is no way that the Thursday, Judge Rata was going to mention something that was mentioned to the Ghost Nation by Advocate Velapi, Advocate Kayan Velapi, Usotobe, Sibiya, and Ghostman. He mentioned that knows nothing. He said something about people that I was listening to. This is the judge now. I was listening to these other guys who were talking, and then they said that there must be a trial within a trial. The guys that are the things that they are know it all, but they are know nothings. That was said because Nation on Wednesday night. He said it on Thursday in court. That alone is also very, Judge Rata, wow, come on now. And then on Friday, on Thursday night, Ukwazi, when he was busy talking about what was happening in court, analyzing or giving, telling people that could not watch what happened in court, Ulukwazi mentioned this part where Umakosonke said to Usibanda that you know what, this does not end here. So Ukwazi was like, where Dodom Zulu was mad, a Zulu man got mad and was threatening. Then Usibanda comes on Friday morning to say that he wants to clarify something, and that something is not other than what was mentioned. Guys, they are watching these channels. They listen to these TikTok lives because that's where they get pointers. The state. Shocking much, but so he specifically asked Makosonge about this part of threatening Sibanda in court. That's what he did. And he even also he was like, but I wanna find out something. There was something that you said that this does not end here, blah 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 blah, and uh, I want you to make it make sense. What did you mean by that? And Duma Kosonke was like, you know what? I see right through you. I see right through you. He's like, no, man, I was not threatening you. I was telling you that people watch the case and it's not ending here. It's not like you, why are you acting as if because you are higher than me when it comes to education in terms of law and I'm on the bottom, now you are going to suppress me. I was saying in that context. And then he was like, rather put it in another way or else withdraw it. Makosanga was like, I don't have time for this nonsense. You know what? I withdraw. And I was like, hi, Sibanda. So Sibanda could not sleep. Usibanda acts all tough and mighty there in that courtroom. That time he is scared and he doesn't trust Zulu men. He doesn't trust the Zulu people. He was like, you, because is my life on the block here? Is my head on the block? Because tell me why he went back to clarify this. Obviously, it was not a threat. It wasn't. He was not threatened, but yet he went to ask. And also, doesn't he have a security detail following him around for him to be scared? Why is he scared? Why is he scared? I was so shocked with him going that far and also withdraw it. And I love how Makosonke dealt with it. He was like, not going to be doing this with this man. And I don't have time for this because what the hell? What the heck? What the heck? Haibo, Usibanda, guys. I don't know if you noticed that, but for me, it gave me into yokuthi Sibanda did not sleep well last night. He was very scared. I'm sure ulele evuka every now and then because he's waiting for inkabi zase KZN. Say, not everyone is a Inkabi, also from KZN. That really made me laugh. I do not want to even lie. I won't sit here and act as if I did not laugh at him. I was on the floor. I was literally, because this is the same Sibanda who was shouting at Umakosonke. Now, when he feels some type of, we're going to come man to man about this, he's scared. Sir, this is the same man who has people following him around, security, following him around because of the so-called threat last year, December. Yet he is still scared. He doesn't even trust his own. He doesn't even trust his own security guys. He doesn't trust them. So why does he have them if he doesn't trust them? No, if I was that security that is always with Sibanda, I was gonna be offended because it's more of let him try. Why isn't he letting him try his thing? If I'm being threatened, let him try. Why is he coming to court to clarify? What is there to clarify? Why is there a need for Sibanda to do the clarifications? I was on the floor, Nangek. That was hilarious, guys. I don't want to even lie because wow. Wow, my goodness, my goodness. And also, Nalento Yokuba, too confident and disrespectful. When you're sitting at home, he knows he was rude to Makosong. He also knows that. He knows that he was rude at Makosong for no reason. He knows. And I don't know who lied to him and said you are doing great when he is actually doing nothing but because he is busy blowing her hot air balloon there. He is blowing hot air balloon. He's making a noise and there's nothing. And I don't know why he thinks he ate when he was doing this cross-examination to show that he did not eat. Usibanda, guys, takes long. I did not even expect him to be done so quick. I did not expect him to be so done. In fact, after what he did on Tuesday afternoon, doing cross-examination for an hour and be exhausted, well, wow, I was shocked. And then he even shocked me again when he only did a cross-examination for one day. In fact, it's not even a full day. It's not because they start past 10. So on Wednesday, we can say maybe he did 3 hours. And let's say he did 3 hours, or yes, let's say he did 3 hours on Wednesday. And then add that hour, that's 4 hours. He did not even do 5 hours. This man is the same guy who took 4 weeks with I choose number one during trial within a trial. I choose number two during trial within. He took weeks. I was so shocked. It was unbelievable. I even went and replayed the part where he said he was done. That is how I did not believe it because, say, who said you ate? Someone said you ate with that cross exam? No, 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 you did not. And one thing about Usibanda, you're too confident. And on top of that, there's nothing wrong with having confidence. There's something wrong with having confidence that is layered with arrogance. That is very wrong. That combination does not go gel well together, doesn't go well together. Because arrogance brings something else, rudeness, brings uzibona nokuzigqaja nokucinga you are better than everyone else. And Usibanda is like now full of himself because he is also getting the backing of Judge Rata. Because this last time that he was busy, Judge Rata was backing him left, right, and center, and he was so proud of himself. He was so proud of himself, full of himself, felt himself. And I was like, oh my God. Oh my goodness. Sasenjeni ke. Sasenjeni. Because Judge Rata was defending him from point A to point Z. And oh my goodness. I was even surprised that Judge Rata did not interfere when Usibanda spoke about the so-called threat. I was even surprised that he did not interfere. He kept quiet when it came to that. I was shocked because I was waiting and expecting him to say something, which Adrata said nothing. I was like, okay, that's new. That is so brand new now. You keeping quiet. That's fresh. it was extremely fresh for me to see Judge Rat because I thought he was gonna fakaza there, add 2 cents, 10 cents, and say, yeah, and it's also wrong for witnesses to threaten. Yeah. Or yeah, I also heard that. Yeah, that was really a subtle threat. No, I was so shocked. I was so shocked to realize, uJudge Rat uyakwazi uthula angafakazi or give a lecture about that threat to Makosong. I was like, okay, things happen. We see things in that courtroom every day. So I guess we respond with trauma when it comes to Judge Rat. We will always expect the worst out of him because he has shown us the worst. And also the young boy, Sibanda, has shown us the worst of him in that courtroom. And I cannot wait for the day everyone must account and people must take responsibility for the role they played in the Senzo Meyiwa behind the scenes and during the people. I cannot wait. Usibanda, is he even 30 something yet? Or is he still going to his 30s? How old is Sibanda? How old is Sibanda? Because it looks like he's gonna be roped up in things that are of serious significance in South Africa and things that he was supposed to stay away from. And this thing of him being excited of working at the High Court in South Africa is becoming problematic, and he did not take that opportunity very well and used it very well for him. He should have used that opportunity because clearly he's a smart ass. He should have used that opportunity. But now that opportunity is going to take him through dark sides of the entire other issues that he seemingly is not anticipating. Because what is this, son? I'm still like waiting for the time. May the good Lord make sure that everyone who was involved in the cooking of the Senzo Meyiwa case, the manufacturing, from the police station to NPA to the judiciary, whoever was involved in the cooking, they must account. May the good Lord make sure of that because they think they are untouchable. They think they are untouchable. Look at how they come for people like Abo Makosonke, because this was Sibanda saying you threatened me when he spoke to Makosonke. He was clearly saying, you threatened me and I'm coming back for that. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? I want to hear your views. Thank you so much because now I couldn't laugh louder than I did when he was doing that. It made me also realize, so Moka, you did not sleep well last night. You did not sleep well last night. It really got to you. It stressed you. It worried you. What are your thoughts when it comes to this, guys? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.